Lecture 7. Ever pondered why objects in the cosmos, from tiny particles to massive celestial bodies, tend to organize themselves in a certain way? It's all about equilibrium, the delicate balance that exists within and between everything in the universe. Imagine a cluster of particles. The distances between particles depend on the collective strength of the entire cluster, and their unique strength only changes it slightly. Now let's move this cluster into the atmosphere. The pressure is less here, and the particles begin to express their individuality a bit more. They interact more strongly with clusters of particles from the moon and the sun. Occasionally, these particles might even venture higher into the atmosphere. Changes in the positions of the Earth, moon, and sun cause these particles to move synchronously in space. These cosmic processes not only alter the atmosphere, but also make the movements of these particles varied. The inertia from ancient cosmic catastrophes even influences the course of these movements. So, what is movement? Movement is simply a change in the equilibrium boundaries in space. If one electron shifts closer to the nucleus, a particle in the atmosphere might move a little closer to Earth. It's a domino effect, where one change triggers a series of chain reactions across the universe. Before complex life emerged, there was simple particle activity. These particles moved according to the sun's illumination on the planet. Like colonies of mushrooms, they moved to where food was available and died where resources were depleted. This migration pattern mimicked movements, and with the evolution of life and memory, organisms began moving independently in search of sustenance. Even the smallest changes in configuration can create cosmic flows. Photons from the center of the flow reach their target since the extreme ones interfere with their connection to external objects. These extreme photons find their targets along the way, causing the flows to gradually weaken over time. In summary, whether it's a tiny particle or a colossal celestial body, everything in the universe is in a constant state of movement, dictated by the laws of equilibrium. These movements are influenced by various factors such as the positions of the Earth, moon and sun, and even the inertia of ancient cosmic catastrophes. It's a magnificent cosmic dance where every step is a shift in equilibrium and every turn a change in configuration.